Did you know that you are wasting hours every single week by using default Windows 11 programs? And to improve your productivity, today I will show you just one app that improve your productivity and skills. Windows search often sucks, we can all agree. It almost never find things you are looking for. But by a few keyboard shortcuts, you can easily do everything that you need. For example, by pressing Alt plus space, you pop up a search tab where you can search files for editing, programs, or do a simple calculation. This is like Spotlight on macOS. It's called PowerToys. It's made by Microsoft. It's completely free, and after this video, your workflow will never be the same. Right now, PowerToys has over 20 different tools. We are not covering all of them today. I'm going to show only few of them that will actually change you how you work every single day. Where you can download it. There are two options from Microsoft Store or search in browser PowerToys GitHub. Click on the first link and go to releases page. Grab the exe installer. Once it opens, you get this dashboard. Every tool has own toggle. You can turn off anything you don't use. It runs in the system tray and it never slows your PC. Alright, let's go through the tools, starting with the one I use literally 100 times a day. Fancy Zones. This is a Windows manager on steroids. Default Windows has basic snapping tool, but it's not perfect. Fancy Zone blow up that app
Kaboom.
completely.
Yes, Rico. Kaboom. Come on, boys.
You design your own layouts. By keyboard shortcut Win plus Shift U, you can open Fancy Zone editor, where you can build a custom grid, 3 columns, a sidebar, a main focus area, whatever matches your workflow. I use this layout right here. Explorer on the left, editing software on the center. Now to use it, hold Shift while dragging any window. It snaps to your zone perfectly. You can save multiple layouts and switch between them. For example, you can have many custom layouts for work mode, research mode, or video editing. Different layouts for different tasks. I want to use this color in my thumbnail, but don't know how to actually grab it. That's exactly what color picker fixes. Hit Windows Shift C and your cursor turns into a magnificent eyedropper. And it shows you the exact color underneath. Click once and it's copied straight to your clipboard. Hex code, RGB, HSL, whatever format you need. After, you can paste code in your app for logo or something else you are doing. For example, I use color picker for my thumbnails. Everything text you needed in a screenshot, a video frame, and had absolutely no way to copy it. Text creator fixed that. Hit Windows plus Shift E, drag a box around any text on your screen, and it instantly pulls it out as a reel. Doesn't matter where it's coming from. A PDF that won't let you select text, it's optical character recognition built straight into Windows. With zero extra apps, zero uploading your screen to some random websites. Grab it and it's already on your clipboard. Paste it anywhere. That's all with customizations. Subscribe for more interesting videos and drop a like. See you on the next one.